This might be my 14th or 15th year.
This is my fourth Dreamforce.
This is my second Dreamforce.
This is my fourth Dreamforce.
It's been like 9 years. This is my 13th Dreamforce.
This is my first Dreamforce. Dreamforce is magical.
Energizing.
Incredible.
Dreamforce is all about networking, learning, and growth.
Dreamforce is where you get a pulse on everything that's going on. Everything you'd ever want to know about the industry, you can find out here.
I realized that it was bigger than me. And you see, there's so many people just like you. And not only you're learning Marketing Cloud, you're learning Agentforce, you're learning Data Cloud.
It's like drinking from the fire hose. If you want to learn, if you want to network and understand or meet the experts, they want to connect with you. They want to show you what's coming. They want to help you solve your problems, listen to your use cases.
Dreamforce is where everything happens.
I watched the keynote and I immediately said to my colleague, let's call our boss. We need to talk to him about this.
Dreamforce is a unique opportunity. You see all these great minds coming together, bringing in new products, new innovations, and sharing with the rest of us. This is where you're going to learn new concepts, new innovations.
There's a certain feeling when you leave it. You just want to go and start building and implementing the stuff that you've learned.
There's so much to learn. There's so much changing, new features and new functionality. So I can go back and provide value right away.
Dreamforce is the best place to really just connect across the board with people who are doing the coolest things in the industry and get super inspired.
It's the power of Dreamforce is just having everybody, every expert in the same place, accessible to you. It's just powerful.
You have this community who's supporting you throughout everything, and it's really amazing. You don't see that everywhere.
If you want to get a good hands-on experience and really connect and network with other customers who are really on the back end of the Salesforce platform, this is the place to be.
You really just have to be here and experience it to truly understand.